Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to render depth pass in Blender. So without any further ado, let's get started. So a depth pass, also called a Z pass, is one of the most commonly used render passes in Blender. So instead of rendering colors, materials, or lightings, it stores the distance from the camera to very visible in your pixel in your scene. So this information is invaluable in post-production because it allows you to add realistic depth in field or DOF, fog, mist, and atmospheric haze, focus effects, distance-based color grading, and many other visual effects without re-rendering your entire scene. So unlike the combined pass, a depth pass contains numerical distance values rather than normal image. So what you going to see is a depth pass records the distance from the camera to everything visible. So before you begin, make sure that you have a camera, objects in your scene, and also a blender. So I already have all of them right here. As you can see, this is my camera right here. So now you just need to launch Blender, open or build a design on Blender. And after that, you need to position the camera. So a depth pass only records what the camera sees. So if you can see, you can press the numpad 0 right here so that you can set the camera. You can move it, press G right here. As you can see, I can move it, I can rotate it, but continue until your subject is framed properly. So this is the subject, this is my model right here. So now you need to choose the render engine. On the right side, you will see render properties right here. So let's exit this one first. Okay, you will see this render icon right here. So under render properties at the top, you will see render engine, and you need to choose cycles or Eevee. So it's up to you. The Z pass works with either engine. So now you need to enable render passes. So on the properties panel, click view layer properties. So now on the properties panel, look for view layer properties. As you can see, this one, this is the view layer properties. So locate passes, just scroll down until you locate passes. So this one right here. So expand, and on data, you'll see several options such as mist, position, normal, vector, UV, etc. like that. But there's also a Z or combine right here. So this one tells the Blender to calculate the camera distance. So difference between Z pass difference between the Z pass and mist, under it, as you can see, you will see a depth depth value. And as you can see, under the data, you will see depth right here, or Z. So this is a Z pass. So this tells the Blender to calculate camera distance. So difference between Z pass and mist pass. So Z pass stores real camera distance. So perfect for depth of field, adding lens blur, distance calculation, etc. like that. But for the mist pass, it stores a normalized grayscale image based on the camera distance. It's perfect for quick fog and etc. like that. So now select the camera right here. So now after that, go to the camera properties. So right here in the camera properties, you will see clipping section. So clip start and end. So as you can see, the start is 0.1 meter and the end is 100 meters. So if your scene is huge, it increase the clip end. Example, the clip end is to 1000 meters right here. So otherwise, distant objects may disappear from the Z pass. So yeah, if your screen is used, so let's say we increase it to 1000 meters right here. So now render the image. So press F12 in your keyboard. Right here, as you can see, it's now starting to render the image. Wait until the rendering is complete. And yes, that's it. So now the rendering is complete. You need to view the depth pass too. So when the render finish, you'll see combine this drop down display all the all render passes. So this is my depth or Z render pass. So you may think something is wrong. This image often looks completely white. So this is normal. So why does the Z pass look white? So the Z pass or depth pass stores floating point distance values instead of display ready grayscale. So those values aren't automatically compressed into black to white for viewing. That's why normalization is needed. So now you need to open the compositor, switch to compositing, click this icon right here, and click compositor right there. So now you need to enable the nodes. You'll see the render layers right here. So press Shift A right here, go to utilities right here, and there will be a normalize options that you can see. So click normalize again, and now you need to connect the render layers, the Z, from here. So let's from this one, and now the normalize to viewer. So again, press Shift A again, go to the output right here, and go to viewer. So now after all of these are connected, just click backdrop right here on the top right corner, and now right here. So the Z pass becomes visible. So that's it. So the Z pass or the depth pass become visible. And yeah, that's it. You can now just go to the output properties right here, and under output on the media type, make sure that you choose open EXR or multi-layer EXR right here, and you're good to go. So now you need to save the render. Click the image right here and save as, and now you just need to save the the title as an EXR. Save the image, and that's it. That's how you can render depth pass animation. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can render depth pass in Blender. And also that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.